Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel GlowUpSkin. I hope you all are doing really well. While taking measures for physical health and beauty, we often forget about heels, and that is why cracked heels are not only unsightly but also painful. This apparently tough part of the body carries the full weight of the human body. In such a case, even a slight negligence on its part is not only harmful for the heels, but cracked and hurt heels are a sign of carelessness in the personality. In today's video, I'll show very simple and effective ways to get rid of this problem. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Remedy number 1. For this remedy, we need turnips, salt, mustard oil, How to make this remedy? Take 2 turnips and cut them into pieces including the peel. Fill a large pot with water and put the turnips to boil. When the turnips are boiled, add salt and mustard oil to it. Then sit with your feet in this water. Remedy number 2. For this remedy, you need lemon, glycerin and rose water. How to make this remedy? If the heels start cracking, grind the peel of a lemon and prepare a cream by adding a pinch of glycerin and a pinch of rose extract. Apply it on the cracked heels at night before going to bed. Wash the feet in the morning. The cracked heels will be cured in a few days. Remedy number 3. Ingredients required: cold cream 2 teaspoons, a handful of barley flour, 1 lemon with peel and seeds, alpha hydroxy cream 1 teaspoon. Mix all the above ingredients well. Apply on cracked heels. This cream is also very good for black spots on the face or body. Remedy number 4. Ingredients required: lemon juice and Vaseline. How to prepare this remedy? Rub a mixture of Vaseline and lemon juice, wear socks and leave it overnight. Rinse the next morning. Remedy number 5. Apply banana pulp on the cracked parts. Keep on for 10 minutes and rinse. Remedy number 6. Ingredients required are 1 tablespoon glycerin, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Take 1 tablespoon glycerin in a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Apply it on your feet. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe my channel and hit bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.